This is the kitty cab, and we're in the hall, and we're going to pick up kitties, and I just want to know if anyone wants a ride. Kitty cab, kitty cab. All right, we have a pickup. Kitty cab, drop off. Woo! Okay, going through the dining room. Anyone need a ride? Madam, would you like a ride? Madam, would you like a ride by the kitty cab? Ride in the kitty cab? Come on. Woo, she gets a ride in the kitty cab. Whee! Kitty cab in the hallway. Whee! Woo! Kitty cab, drop off. Kitty cab, pick up. Anyone want a ride? Kitty cab. Anyone want a ride in the kitty cab? Kitty cab approaching the kitchen. Oh, we have a passenger. Whee! Kitty cab. Going to the kitchen. Kitty cab, drop off. All right, Max, would you like a ride in the kitty cab? Come on, Max. Max has to be helped into the kitty cab. Ugh. Kitty cab gives Max a ride down the hall. Whee! These kitties love their ride at the kitty cab. Come on, Max. Can you get in by yourself? Get in. Max is a little slow on the getting in part. Whee! But he likes it once he's in. Ooh, kitty cat! Okay, we have two passengers. Two passengers in the kitty cab. Can we get three? Come on, Bully, get in. Okay, we're going to the large economy cab. Okay, we have the big cab now. Get in. Come on, Mariah. Okay, now we have a full cab ride here tonight, folks. Kitty cat! Bye! Oh, we're back again. I am just a poor slave of the kitties. Kitty cat! Alright, everybody getting a full tour of the house?
Yay!
Kitty cab. Good job, kitties. All out. In gear, kitty cab driver. Where's my tits?